Good morning guys, we're here on the top of Lion's Head in Cape Town, and in this episode we're just gonna explore some of the cool things to do in and around Cape Town. So yeah, number one on the list, hike Lion's Head for a sunrise hike. Yeah, it's, as you guys can see behind me, it's really like beautiful, chilly, so make sure to bring something warm, but it's really amazing up here. But yeah, otherwise stick with us and see where we go. Cheers. Hey, what's up guys? So we're now in Woodstock, so the number 2 thing on the list of cool things to do in and around Cape Town is come to the Old Biscuit Mill market. I think it's every Saturday. It's really cool around us. They have really awesome, fantastic, tasty, all those good words, food, and they also have like clothing and beads and all the things you'd expect to find at a market, but it's really beautiful here. And you'll see there's a really nice view of Table Mountain and all that. But yeah, so let's move on to number 3. See you guys soon. Okay, so we are now here over in Sea Point. So number 3 on the list of cool things to do in Cape Town is to come walk on the Sea Point Promenade. Sorry, it's really cool here. Over there behind me you can see right there's Lion's Head, and over there is Table Mountain. So it's pretty cool, and it's just a nice place, and then especially nice in the afternoons to come and run here, like for an evening run, and to come and watch the sunset. It's really awesome. But yeah, so we're gonna have a walk around here, and I'll see you later. Cheers. What's up guys, welcome to number 4 on the list. Currently here at the top of Chapman's Peak Drive. Yeah, in the background over there you can see Hot Bay, and it's really beautiful here. So I'd suggest you guys come here for a sunset. I don't know, just come here for the sunset. It's pretty awesome. It's really beautiful, but chilly. Make sure to bring something warm, especially in the winter months. And yeah, I would suggest bringing a bottle of wine. We've got a bottle of wine sneakily up here, but I would definitely suggest it, and it's really, really beautiful. Make sure to bring a camera. Check you guys at the next one. Cheers. What's up guys, welcome to location number 5. We are in the Cape Point National Park, and as you can see behind me there's the lighthouse. We are at the most southern tip of the Cape Peninsula. It's really beautiful around us, so be sure to bring a camera. Also, just as usual in any place in the Cape during the winter, bring something warm. The wind can get chilly, but I would definitely suggest you guys come on a beautiful clear day, as these views are not to be missed. So check you guys at number 6. I don't have another finger, sorry, but see you guys. Hey guys, welcome to number 6 on the list of things to do in Cape Town. So we are here at Boulders Beach, near the town of Simonstown, and as you can see behind me, it's known for its penguins. They're really cute little creatures. They do smell quite a bit, but it's still really cool to see them. It is inside a reserve, so do prepare to pay a small entrance fee. Also bring your costumes. There is a swimming beach, which would be really cool. So like sometimes the penguins go to the swimming beach and you can swim with the penguins, which is awesome. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and this little, I don't know, tutorial, I won't call it tutorial, but yeah, of Cape Town. And I hope you guys enjoy your trip to Cape Town. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.